Nothing but white. Any direction I look, I'm like 100 miles away from base. All right, I'll take one of those.
Yeah, I guess go ahead and start freaking digging that box out. I pulled the power cable already, so just watch that edge.
At least the snow is nice and soft today.
Yeah. Not so bad. Get down to the bottom of the box. Well, that might have been the plan.
Yeah, as long as we can pull it out, we should be able to pull it out. Oh, that's heavy.
Oh my god.
All right, let's we'll just put it over here, I guess. Look at that. All right, we're cooking. Now it's time for my handy dandy adjustable, my favorite tool.
Oh boy.
Half inch. Is that half inch? Yep, that'll do the nuts on the battery.
All right, awesome. Am I grabbing this? Thank you.
Something's been here, yeah.
Goofy.
Yep.
Yeah, it's moved a little bit from last year.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, you can see.
Half.
I don't know what we're at. Half a mile, so that's about a mile
Yep.
from last year. So
Yeah, it moves about a half mile.
it's about a mile from last year. Guy gets to climb up the tower.
Oh boy.
Probably close. I don't know if it's better or not. That's close.
So you just gotta make sure you get, however.
All right, I'm just gonna drop these down.
Here you go, Kai.
It's a
Use that.
ratcheting one, so you can turn it.
You wanna take this one?
Velcro collector guy.
Oh yeah, this thing works great.
We have one.
I like those ones.
I thought I grabbed one and put it on.
All right.
You just drop it to me.
New one in this box. Yep. Right in there.
Careful. Oops.
did.
That's where I thought we were going first.
All right. What's wrong?
For me,
Time is
crazy.
it?